Hi, today let's continue discussing archetypes. And today let's discuss the archetype of an outcast. An outcast is a product of social struggle, power struggle. And unfortunately, it is something that is universal in almost all parts of the world. So an outcast is a character who is marginalized or excluded from society, often due to differences in appearance, beliefs, or behavior. An example would be Quasimodo in Victor Hugo's The Hunchback of Notre Dame. So the guy is, well, has a hunchback, and so therefore he does not fit the mainstream definition of male handsomeness. So he is excluded due to his appearance and also because he's poor. But not all outcasts are like that. Some outcasts are smart, intelligent people who just happen to belong to a particular community or belief system. So, for example, in Chinua Achebe's No Longer at Ease, Clara is a smart, beautiful, intelligent woman. Clara is the girlfriend of the main protagonist, Obi Okonkwo. But she and Obi are not allowed to marry because the parents are against her because she belongs to an oso. An oso is a social pariah in their particular community, an out.